Jai Hind student. Today we are going to discuss the industrial growth. The progress of developing countries like India depend on the industrial base. A great emphasis was given to industrialization in India development strategy, and the development of industry was considered some of the important point. Industrial play an important role in the context of growth and development of a country. Here we discuss the role of industrial sector in India development. First, epic center of economic growth. As GDPs rise, there is a structural transformation in the economy. Industrial start replacing the agriculture as the engine of growth. This is because unlikely agriculture industry produce wide range of goods which the consumer would like to consume as their income rise. The rise of demand for agriculture goods constant upon a rise in the income always very modest. Next, sources of employment. Industry is an important source of employment. This becomes the significant when the agriculture is already overburdened and the labor force is rising rapidly. In fact, with the rise in the agriculture production, the farming sector has released a large supply of labor force. It can be gainfully employed only in occupation outside the agriculture, and industry play an important role in this context. Next, sources of mechanism means of farming. Industry play a crucial role in mechanisms of farming. Uses of machines like tractor, thresher, harvest in the farming has become possible only owing to the growth and development of country or industries. Mechanization has caused the exponential rise in the farm productivity. It is owing to the mechanization in farming that India has succeeded in the production enough food for the second most populated country in the world. Next, in part for damage to the growth progress in the country. Industry in part from the damage to growth process. This fact is supported with this observation. We can say that in the absence of industry, the growth process would have been restricted to the production of food for the survival, and industrialization has added new dimension to the human life. It has generated the way of consumerization. Next, growth of civilizations. Urbanizations has led to the growth of civilizations. People become conscious and of their quality of life. They work hard to achieve higher level of education and skill. Culturally diverse society are getting closer to each other. The world economic are merging into a global economy. Next, infrastructural growth. Industrialization has led to infrastructural growth in the economy. Industry tend to spread across different part of the country, and it spread these as a expenses of infrastructural facilities such as mean of transportation, communication, banking, insurance, service, power, and etc. Next, industrialization. The growth process and the industrialization are so intimately related to each other that industrialization is often taken as a sine qua non of growth, means an initial condition as the thing is absolutely necessary, implying that growth occur as and when the industrialization is spread. It is fact that most developed countries today are industrialized country. In fact, industrialization has emerged as a capable of avoiding the route to the process of growth. From the above point, we conclude that we know that the British ruler created many hurdles in the way of development of modern industry in India. As a result, there were very few industry at the time of independence in India. Our industrial base was largely confined to the cotton, textile, and jute industry. Two iron steel, one is Jamshedpur and other in Kolkata. For building a strong south base of self-reliance economy, we had to develop variety of industries such as iron, steel, power, machine making, fertilizer, and chemical industry in the country. Thank you.